wearing a purple and white striped sweater.
No, sorry, ma'am, I didn't see her.
Yes, I have the girl. She wandered off alone. No one saw me take her. Meet me at the back exit.
Look at these fresh strawberries. How much per kilo, please? They are only $3 a kilo, sir. Very sweet today.
Sophie, do you want some oranges too?
Yes, Mom. Can we also buy some sweet red apples?
We'll take some apples too. Here you go, enjoy.
Where is Sophie? She was standing right here next to me. She's gone.
What? Sophie! Sophie!
Wow.
10 and 20.
Look how beautifully it spins.
Oh my goodness! Have you seen a little girl? She is wearing a purple and white striped sweater.
No, sorry, ma'am, I didn't see her.
Yes, I have the girl. She wandered off alone. No one saw me take her. Meet me at the back exit.
Why are we here? Please, I just want to go back to my mom and dad right now.
Quiet! Do not say another word. You stay right here and don't make a single sound.
Auntie! Uncle! What's wrong? Why are you rushing?
Sophie is missing. We were buying fruit and she stepped away into the crowd. We've looked everywhere and we can't find her. Sophie is missing. What? Sophie is missing? Don't worry, Auntie. We know this market very well. We will help you look for her right now.
Let's check the toy stall's colorful toys.
Mia, look! Look at this nail on the door. Sweater.
She must be inside this dark building. Let's call the market security guard quickly.
Stop right there! Put your hands in the air immediately! Do not move!
Sophie, run over here to us.
Don't worry, little girl. You are safe now.
Hello, Sophie. You are a very brave girl. Do you feel any pain?
No, doctor. My arm just feels a little bit tight, but it does not hurt badly.
Okay, let me take a look. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Is she going to be okay? She is perfectly healthy. I will prescribe some light medicine for her stress.
Leo, Mia, you are the best friends in the whole world. Of course, Sophie. Friends always protect each other. I am so glad you are safe.
Yes, no one can hurt our team.
We hope you enjoyed our story today. It was scary, but I am so happy my friends saved me. Today's big lesson is about market safety. When you go out with your parents to a busy market or store, please always hold their hands tight.
Yes! Never walk away alone. Even if you see beautiful toys or strangers can be dangerous, so stay close to your family.
If you ever get lost, do not panic. Find a security guard or a police officer immediately and ask for help.
If you want to learn more useful English phrases with our stories every single day, please subscribe to our channel. Click the big subscribe button right now and turn on the Miss Our Next Adventure. Thank you so much for watching Sip by Sip English. See you in the next video.
Tag! I got you! You're it! Okay, now let's play with the ball. Leo! Catch the ball!
I wish I had friends to play with.
Hey guys, look over there under the big tree. Do you see that boy? Yes, I see him. He looks very sad. Yes, let's go. No one should be sad in the park. I am Sophie. These are my friends, Leo and Mia. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Ethan.
It is nice to meet you, Ethan. We saw you from across the field. Why are you sitting all alone?
Because I don't have any friends here. No one knows me. Well, you don't have to be alone anymore. Do you want to be our friend?
Yes! Come and join our team. Let's play together right now.
Really? Yes! I would love to! Catch it, Ethan! Nice catch! Now throw it to Mia. Here it comes, Mia! Catch!
I got it! This is 5, 10, 15, 20!
This is the best spot.
Shh! Mia is near. Ready or not, here I come! I found you! Caught you both behind the bush!
Mia!
Wow, Mia, your eyes are like a detective. You are very good at this game. Found you, Leo!
Oh my goodness! You scared me! Ready? Set! I won! We won, Sophie! Wow, Ethan! You are a super fast runner!
High five! Good job, Ethan!
That was an amazing race! Thank you so much, Sophie. Thank you, Leo and Mia.
You are welcome, Ethan. We will play here every single day. Hey, friends! Did you like our story today? We had so much fun playing together.
Yes! And remember my story. If you ever feel lonely or if you see someone sitting all alone in school or in a park, please do not be shy.
Go to them. Smile, say hello, and share your toys. A small act of kindness can make a huge difference in someone's life.
Be a hero today. Make a new friend. Because everyone deserves to smile and play.
If you want to learn more easy English with us, to our channel, click the big subscribe button right now so you never miss our next adventure.